Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again with another video. So it's currently Wednesday, March 19th, 2025, 4:33 p.m. And I'm gonna do a trade recap. So I didn't take any trades today, but there were two trade opportunities that I need to talk about. And I'm gonna talk about why I didn't take them and why it made sense to me, right? So that's yeah, delete that. I didn't take the trade, so I'm just deleting this. All right, cool. So coming into the market this morning, let's replay it down here. So if I go to the higher time frame, right? Forget this red candle right here. But coming to the market this morning, I was looking to sell. Now, why am I looking to sell? Price is pushing to the upside, and the daily was like about right there when I came to the chart, right? But when I came to the market this morning, let me replay this because I don't want this to be right here. So when I came to the market this morning, I was looking to sell because now, okay, price is at all-time highs. It's pulling, it needs to have a retracement to continue to make a higher low before it makes a new higher high. So now price, and if you go on the daily, you'll see that if the daily closes below here, it's shifted bearish because like, look, let me show you. Higher low, higher high. Then this one broke above, so higher high, higher low. If it breaks below here, now this is the lower high, lower low. So now it would be bearish on a daily. Weekly would still be bullish, but daily would be bearish. 4 hour was already bearish this morning coming to the market. So let me just, I don't know why it keeps doing that, but it was bearish coming to the market. So I was looking to sell even though the trend is bullish, but we see momentum to the downside. So then I go to the lower time frame and I come to the market at 5:45-ish, 6 o'clock, right? And I see two potential like areas to sell from. So we have one right here, and then we have one up here. So when I was on a chart, I had to go to work early, so I was waiting for the evening stop pattern here. Obviously, didn't respect this order block. At this point, I was at work. I didn't have my phone on me, but price later pulled back to this order block beautifully, give a nice evening stop pattern, strong bearish engulfing candle. So if I was on a chart at this time, I would have taken this trade just like this. Boom. And I would have been targeting this low right here and then potentially this low right here. But just for the trade, this is how I'm gonna do. And 140, cool. And then we'll let it play out. Let's see. So price would have almost barely hit my TP. Obviously, if price was flowing this much, I would have put my stop loss at like break even and then just I would have closed a little bit of the position and let the rest running. So I would have put my stop loss at somewhere right here. Price would have came back. So at least I would have gotten like a 1-to-1 if it pulled back and stopped me out. So it is what it is. But yeah, just a beautiful trade. Everything that I'm looking for in the trade. If I was on the chart, I would have taken this. Another scenario would be that I would have put my buy limit or sell limit. I've been experimenting with that, and I realized it's not good with my strategy because my strategy is literally dependent on this entry signal. Like if I don't get this entry signal, I can't take a trade. This entry signal is what makes or breaks the trade. I need this entry signal. So doing sell limits, not really a fan of it, but if I were to do it, I'll put it halfway between the order block, give a little bit of room just in case it wants to go back up. And then same thing, I'll be targeting this level again. And then if I were to like come out, I'll get my phone, pull my stop loss, I break even. So I think it would be like 1-to-2 something, 1-to-149, and just let the rest running. So it is what it is, right? Now, while this trade was presenting on silver, this one was happening on gold as well. Pull back to this beautiful order block that I saw. I know it looks like a bunch of shenanigans right here. Let me show you. It looks like a bunch of shenanigans. But if you go on the 30-minute, you see a beautiful evening stop pattern. And this is the type of evening stop pattern that I actually like. This one is good, but oh, look at that. Evening stop on the 30-minute too. I didn't even see that. I just saw it on 15-minute. But I like this one. I don't really like this one too much because the doji is just, I don't like the way this doji formed, but it's a good candle. On a 30-minute, it looks clean though. Beautiful evening star on the 30-minute. I would have want this to be a doji, but it is what it is. This right here though is like a beautiful evening star that I like. Doji, you know, a little bigger, closed red, so it tells me, okay, we have momentum to the downside, and then big push. I would have taken this trade like this if I was on a chart. Stop loss right above here. And take profit would be here, 1, and then 2 would be here. So obviously we would have lost on this trade because look what happened. Yeah, we definitely would have lost on this trade. So it is what it is. Silver as well started having the pullback, so let me put this here. Stop loss about 140. Well, that don't even matter because I would have gotten this out of this trade like somewhere around here. So yeah, just wanted to break that down. I know I don't really post much, but don't worry, April's coming. I'm posting a video every single day in April, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm just busy right now, a lot of stuff to do, a lot of work to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope you learned something from this, right? It's just like a 6-7 minute video, but hopefully you learned something from this. So yeah, also this is my trading tracker. So as you can tell, we haven't taken a lot of trades in on March, but it is what it is. And right here I put potential trade because there were potential setups. Just there was no trade on USD CAD. I don't know why I put that there. Ah man. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and keep going. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and stay consistent. And God bless you.